Welcome to Inspire Ignite, where we empower you to achieve your financial goals. In a world where financial stability often feels like an elusive dream, we're here to guide you on your journey towards abundance. Today we're going to unveil the exact steps you need to make $10,000 a month in the year 2024. So, sit back and prepare to take notes, because this information could be the key to unlocking your financial potential. Stick around because we're about to transform your financial future. Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck, dreaming of financial freedom but not sure where to start? We understand. You see, the problem isn't your ambition or your drive, it's not even the amount of hours you're willing to put in. The real issue lies in the strategy. Without a solid plan, achieving your financial dreams can feel like chasing mirages. But hold on to your seats, because we're about to reveal the blueprint to earning $10,000 a month consistently. Let's address the elephant in the room. In the current economic landscape, traditional 9-to-5 jobs often leave us feeling financially strained and far from the dream of earning $10,000 a month. Inflation is on the rise and the cost of living is skyrocketing. The old playbook of working harder, not smarter, just doesn't cut it anymore. We're facing a real challenge here, a problem that demands a solution. But fear not, because where there's a problem, there's always a solution. The solution lies in leveraging multiple streams of income and embracing the power of passive revenue. You see, relying solely on a single income source is like putting all your eggs in one basket. It's risky and limits your earning potential. Diversifying your income, on the other hand, is a game changer. Let's consider online businesses. With the rise of e-commerce and digital services, anyone can start an online business from the comfort of their home. It could be anything from selling handmade crafts, offering freelance services, or even running a blog. Then, there's the realm of investing. Stocks, bonds, real estate, cryptocurrencies, these are all viable avenues to explore. Investments can generate significant returns over time, providing a steady stream of passive income. And let's not forget about freelancing. If you have a skill or talent that's in demand, why not monetize it? Graphic design, writing, coding, consulting, the possibilities are endless. Remember, it's all about creating multiple revenue streams and letting your money work for you. There are countless opportunities waiting for you to seize. But don't just take our word for it. We understand that actions speak louder than words, and proof is the key to belief. So let's hear from some of our community members who have successfully implemented these strategies and are now reaching that golden figure of $10,000 a month. First, meet Sarah, a single mom from Ohio who took that plunge into the world of e-commerce. With determination and consistency, she built her online store from scratch and is now enjoying the fruits of her labor. Then there's Ben, a former office worker from New York. He capitalized on his passion for graphic design, started freelancing, and is now earning more than he ever did in his 9-to-5 job. And finally, meet Lisa and John, a couple who decided to invest in real estate. They now own several rental properties, providing them a steady stream of passive income. These are not anomalies. These are everyday people who took control of their financial future. Listen to these real-life success stories from individuals who have implemented our strategies and are now living the life of their dreams. Now that you're equipped with the knowledge and inspiration, it's time to take action. It's time to step into your power and create the financial future you've been dreaming of. It all starts with setting clear, achievable financial goals. Ask yourself, what do I want to achieve financially in the next year, the next 5 years? Write your goals down, make them tangible. Next, educate yourself. Dive deep into the world of income-generating opportunities. Research online businesses, delve into the stock market, explore freelancing. Knowledge is power, and in this case, it's also wealth. Finally, surround yourself with a community of like-minded individuals. Seek out those who are on a similar journey, those who can offer support, encouragement, and perhaps, most importantly, understanding. You're not on this journey alone. There are countless others striving for the same goals. Start by setting clear financial goals, educating yourself on income-generating opportunities, and surrounding yourself with like-minded individuals who will support your journey. Remember, making $10,000 a month is not a distant dream, but a tangible reality within your grasp. Each of us holds the potential to achieve astounding financial success. It merely requires the courage to step out of your comfort zone and explore the limitless opportunities. So, seize the day and start your journey towards financial freedom. Stay focused, stay determined, and watch as your financial future unfolds before your eyes. Thank you for tuning in to Inspire Ignite. Until next time, ignite your passion and inspire greatness.